Anytime you can't sell something and it's not worth a lot, it's because they don't feel the pain. When you talk to the client, what should you do? You should help them define the pain. And it's in the book, Socratic Selling, okay? We're motivated by degree of pain felt and how clear the outcome is. Now, oftentimes we try to sell the clear outcome, but more often than not, if we just help them to understand the degree of pain that they're feeling, the combination of the two are very powerful to motivate people to take action. Some of you might say, I want to go to the gym, I want to go on a diet. The problem is you don't feel the pain enough. So if I'm selling you gym memberships or meal plans, I need to help you understand the costs of not taking action so that you can really feel this pain, cost of inaction. So one thing that you should do when you're talking to your clients is you should ask them this one question. Why not do nothing? That'll help them to tell you how much pain they're having around not taking action, right?